tax tips
Peace.
for recently married taxpayers. The IRS advises the soon-to-be married and the just married review their changing tax status. If you recently got married or are planning a wedding, the last thing on your mind is taxes. However, there are some important steps you need to take to avoid stress at tax time. Here are 7 tips for newlyweds. Number 1, notify the Social Security Administration. Report any name change to Social Security so your name and Social Security number will match when you file your next tax return. File a Form SS5 application for a Social Security card at your local SSA office. The form is available on SSA's website at www.ssa.gov or by calling 1-800-772-1213. Number 2, notify the IRS if you move. If you have a new address, you should notify the IRS by sending Form 8822, or you may download the form at 8822 from irs.gov or order it by calling 800 tax form. Number 3, notify the Postal Service. You should also notify the U.S. Postal Service when you move so it can forward any IRS correspondence or refunds. Number 4, notify your employer. Report any name and address changes to your employer to make sure you receive your W-2 wage and tax statement at the end of the year. Check your withholding. If both you and your spouse work, your combined income may place you in a higher tax bracket. You can use the IRS withholding calculator available at irs.gov to assist you in determining the correct amount of withholding needed for your new filing status. The IRS withholding calculator will give you the information you need to complete a new Form W-4, Employees Withholding Allowance Certificate. You can fill it out and print it online, and then give the form to your employer so they can withhold the correct amount from your pay. Select the right tax form is number 6. Choosing the right individual income tax form can help save money. Newly married taxpayers may find that they now have enough deductions to itemize on their tax returns. Itemized deductions must be claimed on Form 1040, not a Form 1040A or Form 1040 Easy. 7. Choose the best filing status. A person's marital status on December 31st determines whether the person is considered married for that year. Generally, the tax law allows married couples to choose to file their federal income tax return either jointly or separately in any given year. Figuring the tax both ways can determine which filing status will result in the lowest tax, but usually filing joint is more beneficial. For more information about changing your name, address, and income tax withholding, visit irs.gov. IRS forms and publications can be obtained on the website or by calling 1-800-TAX-FORM, 1-800-829-3676.